She did.
It's the shit. I love it.
Oh, no, stay still. Oh, okay, we're not done. I'm glad.
The more the merrier.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have you sit up and face me this way. You can stay seated. I'm gonna check your arms too. How are you doing so far?
I feel amazing.
Yeah.
I feel like
Yeah.
I feel amazing.
You feel
I really
good?
do. I really,
Okay.
really do.
Can I check your arms too?
Check me.
Yes. That means here. Okay. Here. She does good work.
Right. Ooh. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. I feel like I'm in a tampon commercial. They're like, oh my god, that's amazing.
So does anything at all feel restricted anywhere?
No, I feel amazing.